Shalom, and thank you for tuning in to another episode of Soju TV. This will be episode 5 of my Numbers 1538 series, and in this episode I will be showing you all how to make fringes using this type of ribbon. It's a floral ribbon. As you can see, it has wire in it, and also it's really loosely woven. So if you can find a ribbon like this, this will be great for this tutorial. I got this ribbon at Walmart for $1 in the clearance section, and as you can see, this is 4 yards of fringes, or 4 yards of ribbon that you can turn into fringes. So we're going to go ahead and get started making these. I will be sewing these fringes onto this skirt that I made for my niece. It is a baby skirt. She is about 7 months, or a little bit older than that. If you would like to see a tutorial on how to make this skirt, just let me know down in the comment section below, and I will be more than happy to show you all how to make this. So the first thing that we will do is go ahead and measure how much ribbon we need to complete the whole hem of this skirt with fringes. So as you can see, I'm just going ahead and measuring out the ribbon to match the length of the skirt with an extra inch seam allowance. So as you can see, I will go ahead and trim the ribbon right about here. And what we will do next is go ahead and open the ribbon, spread the ribbon out. And this ribbon has wire at both ends. So what you want to do is go ahead and start pulling the wire out of the ribbon. So go ahead and just grab that end and start pulling it. And as you can see, when you pull the wire, the ribbon gathers, it bunches up. So the easiest way that I found to pull this wire through is to pull the wire, and then pull the gathers down the length of the ribbon, as you can see here. And I will show you all how to do that again. Pull the wire and then pull the gathers down the length of the ribbon. And just go ahead and repeat this step. Pull the wire and then pull the gathers down the length of the ribbon. And eventually you will get to a point where you can just pull on the wire, and the wire will come right out of the ribbon without having to pull the gathers down that length. So now what you want to do is go back to one of the ends, and we will be cutting the edge that has the wire in it still. So just go ahead and take a pair of scissors and cut up that length that has the wire in it. Do not cut the side where we pulled the wire through already. So once you have finished cutting off that wired edge, you'll just want to go ahead and pitch that, clean up the mess, because it will have a little bit of lint left over from trimming, and you should have something that looks like that. So what you'll want to do next is go ahead and start pulling out those long threads. So you'll just go ahead and take it and pull it out. It's really simple, because since the ribbon is so loosely woven together, the threads literally just fall out. So go ahead and continue just pulling those threads out until you reach your desired length of fringe. And just like the previous video with the fringes using regular ribbon, you do want to go ahead and leave you a space at the top, because that space will be where you will put your ribbon of blue when you get ready to sew these on. So just continue and pull the threads out, and I will meet you back when I am complete. this will be the last thread that I will pull out from this ribbon, and you'll just go ahead and pull it out. As you can see, it's just sliding right through. It is so easy. So once you're done, you should have something that looks like this. And as you can see at the top, it has a nice border to where you can put your ribbon of blue when you get ready to sew these on. This concludes this tutorial, and in my next tutorial will be my last episode of Numbers 1538 series, and I will be showing you all how to sew on fringes. With that, I say shalom.